Today we're picking up junk to make a tow truck with. Junk to most everyone else, good to us. Land's gonna ride with you. Okay, that'll be good. We'll go see if we can get it. Alright, today we're going to get tow truck parts. An old 50s Chevy truck. It's like 1.5 ton. We need the frame out of it. I guess it was some old guy from our town. He was out cutting cedar posts before my time when the truck died. They left it there and we're gonna go fix it and never made it back. So we're gonna go get it and see if we can fix it, or at least parts of it. A year ago, this was all cedar trees.
Dude, it's so empty now.
Making habitat. Come on, old Dodge. Can you see it yet? I can see it. It looked kind of like someone's lit it on fire too. It's all burned up. It's gonna make some good yard art. And I need the frame out of it. That's the main piece I need, is the frame for the tow truck. Too bad the hood's gone. Yeah. It used to be on it. Go up a little, let's see what it does. I don't give it no more. No. Alright. I don't want to bend the fenders all up.
Need a little chain or something?
Yeah, of some sort.
Yep. In there somewhere.
Pretty cool, huh?
Look at the dash.
Where's
Nice.
the shovel?
They even have all the pedals and stuff.
They even have some natural light in here, bro. People were partying. Might be how it caught on fire.
Our snow chain.
Tire chains, the ring around the tire chain.
Seems like it'll work.
Yeah.
All right,
Take two.
let's go up.
We need to go up, huh? Alrighty.
That's gonna do it. Go up. I'll just come in on an angle. Keep going. Right there somewhere. I'll bet I can swing under that.
Want me to get my trailer hitch out of the road so you don't...
Yeah, you can. I'm just gonna come in on an angle right there.
Bullet holes and all. Literally in the middle of a desert.
Pretty much.
Look at this pro. that got a little wild all of a sudden.
Yeah, but it got there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it caught. Okay, we'll just push it over and you let it down.
Okay.
Go for it. Okay, hold on. We're set.
Sitting on the
Okay.
there. Like a glove.
Let her down. Oh, that was way easier than I anticipated. I should quit working out so much. Hey, let's watch out. I'm gonna push it backwards a little. It's gonna fall off. All right, it's gonna be okay.
I thought you said you worked out.
No, it's gonna be good. We're gonna throw this thing right here around it. First time I seen this truck, it was complete sitting here.
It's changed a little.
And I feel dumb that I didn't get it
Then?
when I was in high school when it was complete. But like I said, you'd had to cut cedar trees forever to get to it then. Yeah, you couldn't see it from the road, no way. It's got a super thick frame in it. Yeah. Just box it all, add some cross members here and there.
Dude, it'll be solid. Man, the old toe come in handy.
Yeah. It lifted her up.
I'm gonna get mine built so I don't have to keep borrowing yours all the time.
It's fun to see the new to old bullet holes.
Yeah.
Because you see the rusted ones and then the not so rusted ones.
Well, tomorrow we gotta rescue some more stuff. I got a couple trucks up to Matt's I bought. I bought the old brown square body and then that red one that has the flatbed on it. All parts for this. I need the 4-speed out of the square body and then the hydraulic clutch stuff out of the other ones.
Oh, cool. Alrighty.
Tomorrow afternoon we'll go rescue those.
We did it before the sun went down. Looky there.
Flashlight.
We did great. That worked out well.
Rolled right on there. Got a little western for a second, but this truck's been set in that spot for 30 plus years that I know of. Now it's gonna get repurposed and get a new life. The truck itself's gonna turn into a address marker. And the frame's gonna turn into a pretty awesome tow truck. I've had it built for plenty of years in my brain.
Now it's the execution.
Now I just gotta make it happen. Well, yesterday we went and got the frame for the tow truck. Today we're going to recover some more parts for it. And we're gonna go get my dad. We got 2 trucks we're going to get. Stay tuned. We gotta put the thing on so we can go lift the truck up. Good.
That one's gone.
Maybe we are coming to pick this one up. Gonna have to because the keys aren't in it and I can't steer it. So we'll hook onto this one and pull it out of here and then we'll come get that one.
That we got yesterday to make room for the truck we got today. That tire held. That one did not.
Yeah, it's just kind of done on that tire. That's good. He blew it up.
He did?
Yeah, it's locked up. There's good parts on it. That's why we bought it. Yeah, it's got some good pieces. The most important piece is this tranny right here for my tow truck. Okay, so we got this turd home last night. Now I got to get the cab off the frame so I can finish all the stuff that I'm doing on it. And then start the tow truck build. We rounded up some other miscellaneous parts today, me and Lan did. Transmission that's in the square body, and the running gear is for a project that you'll see later on. Worked out pretty good. We got it loaded, got it home, we're all done.